Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to change the group name in WhatsApp Web. Personalizing your group chats can make them more identifiable and unique. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your computer. Step 2. Click on the desired group chat. Step 3. Inside the group chat, click on the group name. Step 4. On the right side, locate the pen icon next to the current group name and click on it. Step 5. A text box will appear. Type in the new name for the group. Step 6. Once you've entered the new name, press the checkmark icon to confirm and save the changes. By following these simple steps, you have successfully changed the group name in WhatsApp Web. Your group chats will now have a unique and personalized identity. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the process of changing the group name on WhatsApp Web. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials like this. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.